How to enable split screen mode using two apps at the same time on your Tecno Camon 19 phone, Android 12. Let's get started. The best way to perform this action is, let's say you have an app open already and you'll tap on the recent button here. In every app you have open already, you'll notice there is a app icon found here, and when you tap on it, it's going to give you the option to select the split screen mode. Not every app has this feature, so if it doesn't have it, you'll see it doesn't say split screen mode, but the ones that does will have it there. And once you see it, tap on it, you'll notice that the app will now roll up like this here, and from here on you can choose to tap on the recents and browse through other apps you have open already, select it, and it'll enter into the split screen mode. However, if you don't have any other apps open already, you can always use the app drawer or browse across your home pages and find the app that you want to have open up with your split screen mode. So I'll just go ahead with Facebook just for demonstration purposes. And once you get it to do like that, that means now you can navigate both apps at the same time while viewing one and doing something else on the other app. You can also go ahead and press here one more time and perhaps close this out and select another app and it'll reappear in the split screen mode. Or if you don't want any of that there, you can just go backspace here. And let's say I decide to go with another app here. And if it says it doesn't support split screen mode, it'll tell you that it doesn't do that here. But let's just go ahead and quickly show you this one more time so you can know how to exit out the full screen, exit out split screen mode to full screen mode. So wherever you are, you can go ahead and pull this bar here and pull it all the way to the top. That'll close out the top one, or pulling it all the way to the bottom will close out the bottom one. And that's that. Like, sub. Thanks for watching.